My first Blue Apron box! Yay! So excited! Alright, I got my first Blue Apron box! Yay! It's building a better food system, one delicious recipe at a time. So excited! This is happy cooking! Yay! The chilled shrimp ramen or the honey pepper and chicken and farro. Lots of these. Open. This freezed silver thing. So let's see. Inside, the first thing I see are fairy tale eggplant. We have the semi-pearled farros, which is, I think is a nut. I wouldn't actually pick that out. Let's see, what is this? Ramen! Yay! And what else we got in here? We got mini peppers. And we got giant eggplant. What else we got in there? Corn! We got lots of corn, which I think that's pretty cool. We got corn in there. Let me see in here. We got another ramen. And then we have, what is this? We got the shrimp ramen. What else we got in here? We got the honey pepper chicken. And then we have some garlic. And then I think there's something else in here too. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, this is heavy. Is this an ice pack? Yep, this is an We got Tradesman Premium Cut. Ooh, boneless chicken thighs. Those are pretty good. No antibiotics ever administered. That's pretty cool. Then we got the wild Gulf shrimp, sourced sustainably from our family of trusted. This is what I got in my first Blue Apron box. So excited to get cooking.